Hey guys, in this video, let's talk about Globe Telecoms. I have some good news for you, things that are amazing, things that are happening in the stock. So if you want to know more what's happening, if you own the stock or you have cash and are thinking, where should I position this 2020? Check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. I'm a stock market trader and investor, and I love YouTube because it allows me to share my thoughts, my ideas when it comes to stock trading and investing, because I really believe the stock market is one of the greatest ways for Filipinos to let their money grow. That if you put your money in time deposits, guess what? It really won't go down, but it really also won't go up, and you'll just be beaten by inflation. And the goal of videos like this is to educate you so that you can win and you can trade the markets with confidence. Before we proceed to the next video, would super appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, and comment, so you get to be part of this video and you get to see more videos to come in the future. And smash that bell, guys, so that you get updated every time contents like this will come out. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, let's talk about Globe Telecom. I said this in my interview in Bloomberg and also the video that I created yesterday, that even the coronavirus, Globe Telecoms will earn more from it. Why? Because when more people stay at home, when more people are not going out, they're on their phones. As they're on their phones, they will consume more and more and more and more and more and more data. And here's something that's interesting. Globe 2019 earnings reported a 20% income increase. That's amazing. So please note this, that people have always been they've always been talking about telco companies, that the name of the game is you battling against other telcos. But people don't see this. Globe is not anymore a telco company. Globe is a data / digital / media company who happens to have a telecom company as well. So please do note this, that Globe's total revenues 2019 increased by 12%. It was 149 billion last year, and it started to grow even more. But what I wanted to segment here and what I wanted to share to you is this. Globe's data-related services. When I say data-related, this is mobile data, what you have in your phone, home broadband, your DSLs at home, and corporate data. That's, of course, what companies would use for them to go about all of their internet connections. Is now 71% of Globe's revenue. That's amazing. Home broadband is now 21.7 billion, which is up 17%, while corporate data is up 12.8 billion, which is up by 9% as well. And here's the thing, as you all know, everyone's shifting to data. As you all know, when you make a call, you don't make a call using your normal cell phone or just using it via normal call. You use either Viber, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or whatever application that you use. Voice services have dropped to 2.7 billion pesos already. So, and here's what's interesting. I don't think it will stop there. Why? 5G is coming, and the more people get addicted to the usage of their watches, their phones, their laptops, or their tablets, the more the consumption of data will be. And I really believe, because of augmented reality, virtual reality, blockchain, social media, and everything that's riding off of the internet, the consumption of data will just get bigger and bigger and bigger. And think about this. Just you guys watching YouTube means a lot of things already. It means that you will see more and more people consume data, watch videos online, meaning that alone will be data heavy already, and you will see that more and more, especially when 5G gets into the mix. So here's what I do know. The upside of this is more and more people will get higher plans for sure, especially when the younger generation, Gen Z, a lot of them start working. A lot of them will these are people who grew up in a mobile data environment only. So what does that mean? When they start getting jobs, their highest priority will be getting phones that will allow them to stream faster data. You will see more and more people playing games. I think e-games, esports is just at the tip of what we're seeing right now. It's just a tip of what it could be. Esports will boom and explode in years to come. And that being said, you will see a lot of fintech companies just come into fruition, and all of that will be in the backbone of using data services. You will also see shopping evolve. It's already happening. More and more people are choosing to shop from their phones, from their apps. You will see more and more people just shop via Carousel, via Lazada, via Shopee, via Instagram, via Facebook. I'm not saying something that's about to happen. I'm saying things that are already happening. So those are things that you need to watch out for. I really believe that data demand for Globe will just keep on increasing. I believe the Globe will just keep on earning money, primarily because of the large demand on data for a lot of people. And lastly, I like to share this. Please remember, this doesn't even factor in GCash yet. I really believe that over the next few years, the use of GCash will become even more massive. What do I mean by that? You have to remember this, and I've been saying this in a lot of the videos that I've been making, that you will see less and less people use cash. You will see more and more people transact using their phones. You will see more and more people transact cashless. And if it's happening overseas already, it's happening in China. China is completely cashless. That's gonna happen in the Philippines. That's gonna happen here. It's just a matter of time. And GCash, you can also add PayMaya into the mix, will be right smack in the center of it. So I hope you guys got a lot from this. Let's look at the charts. Let's see what the charts are telling us. How does this play into the grand scheme of things? So the reason why I'm saying that is Globe, from a earnings perspective, did well in 2019. Globe, telco, mobile, data, anything that is connected to that, because of the sheer demand for data over the next few years, the future is also bright for it. So if there's anything that will cause you to have an underlying confidence in investing into something that's mobile, it's because of all of that. And please remember this, PLDT also will be part of the mix. Globe, PLDT, people who will dominate, companies that will dominate data will pretty much be part of it as well. And lastly, bonus na yung bonus yung dividends. Globe 91 peso dividends is amazing. Whatever PLDT gives also the dividends, it's still higher than what other stocks will give you in terms of dividend investing. Anyways, allow me to show you this. This is the chart. For Globe though, MACD is below zero, denoting that this upward movement here, if you look at this, I'll try to draw this particular uptrend was also captured by this particular movement of MACD. Now it started to cross below the 200-day moving average. That's why you see this. But something happened so interesting just yesterday that it started to go back to 200-day moving average. So the possible movement for Globe will be like this. So these are the ranges for Globe. Current support line, and that's where Globe is right now. It's above the 1966 support level. So if Globe stays above the 1966 support level, possible movement, possible narrative for Globe is it can go and shift and push to around this level. If it breaks out from that level, from the 2,100 level, then it pushes toward the 22 level, which is close to its highest high already. Please remember this, Globe tried to touch that level in October 2018, which it failed to break out from. It tried to do that also here in 2015, which it failed to break out from also. So Globe is close already to its highest high, 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple times in 2019. It tried to break it, but it hasn't broken out from it yet. Now, that's something that we have to watch out for, that if it closes near that level, will selling prevail, or this, because of this news that we're seeing, will it cause, and please remember, the hype of the third telco has already somehow died down since there's already a winner. We actually have to see whether Dito will actually make money. Will they actually find a way on how they can take over and get market share from Globe and PLDT as well? So that's something that we still have to watch out for. But nonetheless, what's so interesting about Globe is its pivot to data is what's allowing it to make money as well. So key resistances for you to remember for Globe, number one is 2,105. Number two is 2,220. Key support range right now is 1,965. If 1,965 does not hold, possible retracement will be here and here. So possible retracement is 1,876. If that does not hold, possible retracement is at the 1,735 level, which that's the level that it hit October 2019. After that, it hasn't gone down. It hasn't gone lower than that. So if you notice it, the last time it went lower was November 2018, roughly more than a year ago already. So this is a key support range. That being said, also since October 2018, you could actually say that Globe has moved sideways. The resistance at 2,220 is pretty much there as well. So the question that you can also point out is this earnings disclosure of 20% growth good enough to bring investors to the table that they're willing to buy it higher than the prospect of 5G, that the prospect of Gcash, the prospect of fintech, the prospect of blockchain, the prospect of a cashless transaction? Is this enough to cause people to come into the mix? Is this enough to cause investors to buy higher as well? And is the lure of the dividends enough to cause people to buy Globe more as well? So there, I hope you guys got a lot from this. If you want to know more all about this, you can just check all of my older videos. Please remember, a lot of people are asking about some topics. No, they're just all in the old videos. I have over 1,000 videos already. Most of the questions that you want are already there. That's one. Number two, if you want to learn more about this, I have seminars for that. All of the details are just in the description below. You can also learn via online trainings. I have online trainings as well, online courses. They're down in the description below. And lastly, books you can order via Shopee. They're all in the description below as well. So I guess that's it for now. This is Marvin Gurmo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys. And God bless you all. Roll very, 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 very loud background ending music. Bye, everyone, and have a happy weekend.